just real quick, I wanted to show a common problem. These bolts broke when I took them out, exhaust pipe, flange, and I couldn't redo the threads because they were rusty, just generally messed up. So I just wanted to show real quick that it's not the end of the world. As you can see, I already got one out. We're gonna do a through bolt with a nut, a washer, lock washer, and I'm gonna show you how to get this one out. Get it nice and red hot. Okay, now we're red hot all the way around. What that did was destroyed the ring that holds the rivet in. Now you just need a small hammer and something to hit with. I'm just using a chisel. You can use a socket or anything else that will fit on it. Okay, got them hot, pounded them out. They came out nice and easy. This is what you're getting. It's just a rivet nut, and now we can just do through bolts. Yeah, I mean, I just had to quarter turn it until it bottomed out. What?
Oh, they got your bolts.
Yeah, and then they weren't strong enough because he didn't get grade 8.
Oh,
so I just took the blowtorch and blew out the nuts. There you go. General repair. Doesn't have to be any certain thing. This is a 2014 Ford F-150. But any exhaust flange that is that style, you can repair in that way. If you break a bolt, heat it up, punch it out.